Hi guys, look at that. Meron akong inihaw na bangus, may talong, may kamatis, and then meron po siyang kasamang gulay. And of course, the rice. And then may sausawan rin po siyang bagoong or alamang. And then, ito po yung ating suka. Then with sili. O diba guys? Let's just try. This one is in 7 stone. So we're gonna eat. This is my dinner. Nag-order po tayo ng food. So, let's try to eat inihaw na bangus with eggplant. Oh, yummy, yummy! Let's eat, everyone. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Thank you so much. Ayan na po, kakain na po tayo. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. Thank you for the food. Just lagi po tayo magpasalamat sa Panginoon sa lahat ng blessing na dinadala niya sa ating mga buhay.